Now, interestingly enough, we're always hours away from voting in Rajya Sabha, and it seems the BJD has taken a U-turn on their stand on the Waqf bill. While in the Rajya Sabha, they made a statement saying they oppose the Waqf amendment bill. BJD has said that there is no whip issued to its MPs, so they are free to vote however they like on the Waqf bill. Now, this is what the BJP is counting on to ensure they have more numbers on their side. Fence sitters like the BJD. And now you've got the party saying very clearly, we haven't issued any whip, so this can go any way. MPs can go ahead and vote whichever way they want. The stated position of the BJD, and this was in the Rajya Sabha, which we played out for you also moments ago, the stated position of the BJD was that they oppose the Waqf amendment bill. But it looks like they will be allowed to vote whichever way they want, or at least that's the communication that's come in from, in fact, the High Command of the BJD. So all the MPs of the BJD in the Rajya Sabha will be allowed to vote as per their conscience. That's the statement that's really come in right now, that they can go ahead and vote in whichever way they want. Interestingly, you also had very clearly statements previously from the likes of Rajya Sabha MP Sasmit Patra, who had said that the BJD opposes the Waqf amendment bill.